Welcome to the class, student. Today we are going to discuss circles, second part. Right. We'll start with position of the circle. Now the question is, what is the position of how we are going to find the position of the point with respect to the circle. See here, position of the point with respect to the circle. Suppose let us assume that a circle is given whose equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. That means center we know very well. And assume that p is outside. We are assuming, say that this one is x1, y1. Now it is very clear that Cp is definitely greater than R. But diagrammatically we can say that Cp is definitely greater than R here. So Cp square, now you see here, I can go for Cp square is greater than R square, squaring on both sides. After squaring on both sides, Cp square is greater than R square. What is Cp square? Minus g comma minus f is there. So x1 plus g whole square, y1 plus f whole square is greater than R square. R square is nothing but here g square plus f square minus c. While expanding, you will get x1 square, y1 square, 2gx1, 2fy1, okay, plus c greater than 0 you are getting. This is nothing but what? S11 is greater than 0. S11 is greater than 0. So now if P lies outside the circle, P lies outside the circle, then condition is S11 is greater than equal to 0. This is. Now second condition, you see, suppose a circle is there, P lies inside, right? What is going to happen now? Cp is less than R, or you can say that S11 is less than R. P lies inside the circle. P lies inside the circle. Inside the circle. Right. Another one. You see here, suppose if you take P is on, third case, P is here, lies on the circle, means what is going to happen? This is Cp. Cp is equal to R. That is S11 is equal to 0. If S11 equal to 0, then it become what? S means, now here you may have a doubt here, what is S11? Very simple, S is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We can say that as S1 means xx1, yy1 plus g into x plus x1, f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. S11 means this sir, x1 square, y1 square, 2gx1, 2fy1 plus c. S12, yes, S12 means x1, x2 plus y1, y2 plus g into x1 plus x2 plus f into y1 plus y2 plus c. You can say like this. These are notations. These are notation I am using with the help of notation. What is S11 means? You know very well that this is S11. If you say that S11 equal to 0 or S means you can write x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c equal to 0 like this. Okay, you see here two examples I have taken. Here the position of the point with respect to position of the point P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 he said. Here P is this one, S is given. We are supposed to identify what to do here. Just you go for S11, just you substitute here 1 square, 2 square, 6 into 1, 8 into 2 minus 96. See this 1, 4, 6 and this one is, what is that, 16 is there, minus 96. You know very well that 27 minus 96. Definitely S11 is less than 0. F11 is less than 0 means P is what? Lies inside the circle. S11 is less than 0, P lies inside the circle. I have taken one more example here. You see that S11 here also 2 square, 2 square, 1 square, 2 into 2, 4 into minus 1 and plus 3 is there. What we are getting? 4 plus 1 minus 4 plus 4 plus 3. So here we got it as 8. That means S11 is greater than 0, P lies, okay, outside the circle. It will be like this. Circle is somewhere here, P is somewhere. Okay, And by using this formula, we can get. Now you see here, what is mean by power of the point? Very simple. Power of the point means, sir, we can define like this. Let us take down a circle whose center is C, whose radius is R. Given point is P. Okay, power of the point P with respect to the circle is defined as Cp square minus R square. Right? Cp square minus R square is there, mean that is called what? Power of the point. Now the question is, you know very well, see here, suppose you see the definition only, that same definition I wrote. C is the center, R be the radius of the circle, P be any point in the plane. The power of the point P with respect to the circle defined as Cp square minus R square. Now power of the point can be negative or positive also. Why? P is outside. What happened here now? You know very well that Cp square minus R square means you will get what? You are going to get S11. S11 is definitely greater than 0. Why? P is outside. If P is inside, Cp square minus R square, that is what? S11 is less than 0. This time it become what? Negative also. Now if C is on, P is on, P is here, C is here, P is this, C is this one. Cp square minus R square is equal to S11. Here 0 also you will get. Power of the point may be positive, negative and 0 also. Now you see here, power of the point, how we are going to prove you see this now. A secant through a point, that means here power of the point is nothing but what? Pa into Pb is equal to S11. Why? If a line is going to cut the circle in 2 points, you see this, I would like to take like this. Suppose if it is A and if it is B, somewhere here I am taking P, that is what? X1 y1. If I take, let us say that this one makes an angle, some angle theta. Assume that here, this is the point I am taking here, either this or this distance is what? R. So I can say that x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta is a point. I want to substitute in the circle equation. What is the circle equation I am taking here? S is equal to 0 I am taking. So now x1 plus r cos theta whole square plus y1 plus r sin theta whole square and plus 2g into x1 plus r cos theta 2f into y1 plus r sin theta plus c, you can say like this. I substituted. What I did here, s means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is yes. In this one I substituted. In this one if I substituted, you see here, after simplifying this one, it is very clear why I wrote here r square, because r square cos square theta, r square sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta is r square. And 2r if I take common, here x1 cos theta is there, x1 g is also there. You see that g cos theta is also there. That's the reason I wrote here like this. And finally we have in this way, suppose if you say that r1, r2 are roots, or that is what I am saying, that r1 is equal to, you can say that pa, r2 is equal to pb, or else r1 is equal to pb, r2 is equal to pa. You take any one of this one. I am considering this roots mean roots of this, roots of 1, this equation. If you say that 1 is like this, we'll get. Now here I am using the condition product of the roots. Product of the roots become what? r1 r2, that you can write as what? Pa into pb, right? That is nothing but from the equation here, sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots means this one. What is that? x1 square plus y1 square plus 2g x1 plus 2f y1 plus c, that is nothing but simply you can say that S11. Pa into pb is also what? S11. We proved it, guys. Here I have taken 2 examples. The power of the point with respect to the circle means, simply you can say that S11, you have to go for S11, that is 2 square plus 4 square minus 4 into 2, 6 into 4, right? 6 into 4 minus 12, you can. Now you see this one here, 4 plus 16 minus 8 minus 24 minus 12 is there. This is 20, right? S11 is what? This is 20 we are getting here. There is nothing but, you see this is 20. Here we are getting what? 4 means here 24, minus 24 you are getting. Power of the point is what? Minus 24. Maybe negative I said, yeah, we got it. If it is negative means where it is p is inside, that then only we'll get negative. Now you see, you take this case. In this case, 5 square minus 6 whole square plus 8 into 5 plus 12 into minus 6 plus 15. So that is what? 25. this is 36 minus plus 40 minus here 72 plus 15 we are getting here now. Yeah, after simplifying probably we'll get what 44. This will be S11 is here greater than 0, that means maybe P lies outside. That's the reason we have got it power at the point like this. Here we are having two good questions. We'll do. You see the question, the shortest distance. What is that? The shortest distance he has given. The shortest distance from minus 2 comma 14 to the circle, this one he has given. What is mean by shortest distance? You see here, suppose P is here. I don't know exactly where P lies. After substituting only we can confirm that. Let us say P is outside or P may be inside, nothing will happen here. Whether it is outside or inside, you will understood in a better way. It is CP, this is the point, you see here. This distance is called shortest distance. Right, what is that? CP minus R. This is what? No, R. CP minus R. If you do that CP minus R, this is called shortest distance. Now here for the center is 3 comma 2. Radius is 9 plus 4 plus 12. That means radius is 5 we are getting. Oh, okay. P he has given as minus 2 comma 14 he has given. What is that? CP. CP minus R is nothing but under root of, you see that minus 2 gone. Okay. See here center is this one, sir. 3 plus 2 whole square and 2 minus 14 whole square. You are getting here 25 plus 144, that is 13, right? 13 and R you have to subtract, that is 5, minus 5 here, minus 5. This is CP minus R, shortest distance. This is what? Shortest distance, CP minus R. If you go for it, that is what? 8 we can say. Shortest distance we can find in this way. Okay, shortest distance we can find like this. There is a chance to ask 3 type of question in this one. What are the questions here? You see that the longest distance from minus 3 comma 2 to the circle, right? Shortest distance, longest distance, and on afterwards nearest point and the farthest point. There is a chance to ask 4 types of question. Probably I would like to do one here. You see this. For example, the circle is given like this now. The center of the circle is anyhow required, that is 1 comma minus 1 you are getting. Radius is 1 plus 1 minus 1. The radius is 1 we are getting here. The given point is P here, right? We will go for farthest. Farthest means this, sir. Suppose P is here, C is this one, R is this. Okay, CP plus R and this one. What is that? CP plus R. CP plus R is called what? Farthest distance. What is CP plus R? Here, CP plus R means minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 1 whole square. That is here 16 plus 9, that we are getting what? 5. We are getting here 5. CP plus R is not, see here, I forgot to write radius here 1. So we are getting the farthest distance. That means what? Longest distance, we got it as 6. We'll take one more point. The nearest point on the circle. See here, rough diagram here. If P lies outside, this is okay. If P lies inside, nothing will happen, sir. P lies means here, nearest point, you have to find like this. If P is outside, you can understood in a better way. That's why I am taking like this. So, better to write in this way. Center is here. See, P is something 5 comma minus 4 comma 5. Center of the circle is 3 comma minus 2 and 3 comma minus 2. Radius is here 9 plus 4 plus 12. R is equal to 5 we have. This is the point you are supposed to find, nearest point of P. Here also if it is P, you can say like this. Okay, exactly. Here I don't want to waste my time to identify P's location. Either it may be this or it may be this one. But in both the case, you are getting the same one. What we are doing here now, you see this distance. This distance is, see this distance is CP minus R. And this distance is what? R. Right. So now CP, what is the CP distance here? Just you check it out. Minus 5 minus 3 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square. That is, here luckily we got it what? 64 plus here 36. We are getting what? 10. CP is 10. R is 5. So exactly we can say that if you say that Q is a midpoint. Q is a midpoint of CP. So Q point you have to find, that is minus 5 plus 3 divided by 2. minus 5 plus 3 divided by 2 and 4 minus 2 divided by 2. We are getting here minus 1 comma 1 we are getting. Minus 1 comma 1 is the answer. Suppose here we got it, the ratio is same, Cp minus R, Cp minus R and R ratio is what, both are same, we got it. That's why we are doing like this. If these two are what different, then internal point mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. By using that formula you can get it here. Now if I ask you that farthest point, same story. Farthest point is nothing but, you see this, if I ask here farthest point, what is the farthest point means? Suppose P is given here, you are supposed to find R. You see that at that time ratio you have to take, this is Cp and this is R. Cp R. So that external point you have to find. What is that? Cp plus R is to R. Like this. Cp plus R total. Okay, R. R divides PC externally, external point. You have to use this formula. mx2 minus nx1. If you say that m and this is n, mx2 plus nx1 divided by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. You can use this formula to find farthest point. Nearest point I have taken, farthest point I explained here. Right, farthest point I explained here. You just see this one. Yes, it is very clearly I explained here everything. Need not worry. Okay, now you see here a line through this meet the circle in A and B such that this one he has given. Then radius of the circle. Just now we did it that. Power of the point concept. Yes sir. P is somewhere here. Minus 2 comma 3 you take down. This is A and this is B. I said it to you that what is that PA into PB sir? PA into PB. Just now I have taken that S11. So S11 you know very well that, but he has given PA into PB is 31. S11 means just you substitute that point in this one. That is minus 2 whole square plus 3 square. 4 into minus 2 plus 2 into 3. Okay, plus K, we got it here. 31, 4 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus K. So 31 is equal to, now you see this one, and 19, 27. Okay, plus K is there. So the value of K is 4, we got it. If K is 4, he is asking what radius of the circle. No need to worry. So circle equation we got it finally. 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Radius is under root of, this is 4 plus 1 minus 4. Radius is 1. We got it. Radius is 1 sir. Okay. Now you see here circle with respect to axis I would like to tell. Circle with respect to axis. Circle with respect to axis, you see here the concept I would like to explain. Here, yeah, remember S is equal to 0 is a circle. Okay, let us say that the circle is going to cut. First case here, let us say the circle is going to cut x-axis. Very simple, I am explaining this one. It's very clear. This is circle is going to cut x-axis at 2 points. Say that AB. So you can say like this also, intercept made by the circle on x-axis. What is the intercept? What is the length of the intercept made by the circle on x-axis means? Very simple here. In this case, what you have to do is, let us say that on x-axis, you know very well, on x-axis, right, on x-axis, y is equal to 0. Then if you substitute y is equal to 0, yes means you know very well, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. In this, if you say substitute y, x square plus 2gx plus c equal to 0 you will get. After substituting, substitute y is equal to 0 in 1. If you say this 1, you got it like this. Now assume that the roots are like this, x1, here x2 comma 0. Here x1, x2 are roots. So you will get x1 plus x2 is equal to minus 2g. x1, x2 is equal to c, you got it. But if you want to find the length of the intercept made by the circle, what is that? Length of the intercept, okay, made by the circle on x-axis. It's very clear sir. Mod x1 minus x2 you can say, or x2 minus x1, whatever it may be. Mod is there, we need not worry. What you will get here? x1 plus x2 whole square minus 4 x1 x2. That means if you substitute the constant value, here you will get 4 g square minus 4c, or else 2 root of g square minus c, you got it. Okay, intercept made by the circle on x-axis, this one. Okay, what is that? G square, under root of g square minus c, 2 root of under root of g square minus c, 2 root of g square minus c, you can say here. Now, if the same circle is going to touch, case 2, you see this. This is if you say that case 1, case 2 is, let us assume that the circle is going to touch x-axis. Circle is going to touch x-axis. If it touch x-axis, what is going to happen? X1 is equal to x2. Very clear. This is mod of x1 minus x2, no? Yes. From this, if you say that 2, from 2, it is very clear that 0 is equal to 2 root of g square minus c, or g square is equal to c. Whenever circle is going to touch x-axis, simply you can say that the condition is g square is equal to c here. We'll move on to the next, third case. Equation 1 is there, case 3 you see here. Case 3 means the same circle is going to cut y-axis, right? Then it become what? Something c and d you take down, 0 comma y1, 0 comma y2. This is what? Y-axis. Right. Intercept made by the circle on y-axis, what? Very simple here. On y-axis, x is equal to 0. Substituting x is equal to 0 in 1 in the same equation, we'll get y square plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 will get. Right. Now you see here y1, y2 are roots of, you can say the 3, equation 3. If you say here, nothing will happen. So y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2f, and y1, y2 is equal to c you have here. What is that? Here y1 minus y2 becomes what then? Length of the intercept made by the circle. Please remember, length of intercept made by the circle. You can write like this. Length of the intercept here made by the circle on y-axis is this one. So what we are getting here now, 4f square minus 4c, or 2 root of f square minus c, we got it. Now case 4 is very simple. Case 4 is, if the circle is going to touch y-axis, right? Circle is going to touch y-axis, what is going to happen? y1, it become what? y1 is equal to y2. So 0 is equal to 2 root of f square minus c, or f square is equal to c, you can say, or x square is equal to c. Now with this very clear, if somebody asks me that, if what happened if the circle touched both the axes in all the 4 quadrants are, I can't say that always only first quadrant it is. No, it may be any quadrant. So condition is what? G square is equal to f square is equal to c, you can say. The condition is g square is equal to f square is equal to c, you can say. Okay, you see this one example I have taken here. The circle passes through origin, making intercept 6 and minus 4 he has given. Intercept may be negative, positive, so nothing will happen. On x and y axis is negative. That means circle is like this, passing through origin. It may be like this. This intercept below x axis means minus here. Intercept cannot be negative. See here, length cannot be negative here. Intercept means it may be negative y axis. This is 4 he has given. This is 1 he has given as what? 6. If it is 6, you see here, right? Exactly, this is 3, this is 3, this is 2, and this is also what? 2. The easiest way of writing this center means I can write directly here, no issue at all. Right. Center, how to find? The question is center is how to find. But if he has given passing to origin etc. means according to the rule, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, if you take 0, 0, if you substitute here, c is equal to 0 you will get. And he has given x-intercept. What is x-intercept? 2 root of g square minus c is equal to, 2 root of g square minus c is equal to what? 6 he has given. So g is equal to, you can say that plus or minus 3 after avoiding c is equal to 0. And 2 root of f square minus c, he has given it minus 4, nothing to worry here. That means f is minus 4 you take down. you better take down positive, and this one is what? Negative. It is good. So what is the center means? Simply you can say that is 4 is there, right? 4, not 4 here, you will get what? 2. So the result is minus g comma minus f. Minus g comma minus f means here why I have taken 4, you know very well that 2, minus 2 is there. Minus g means it is, you see that g and plus r. If you are avoiding this, plus or minus we are getting. Plus or minus we are getting here. You will get minus, I can't take here. The length is what? Positive I have to take. But he said that negative, that means you are plus or minus, here also plus or minus will get. But minus g comma minus f means I have to take here in the 4th quadrant. See here, this is in the 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant is what? X is positive. That means 3, this is what? Negative. 3 comma minus 2 you can take. Need not worry, sir. Need not worry. This length is 3, very simple. This length is what? 2. So this what you can write? 3 comma minus 2 you can write. That only we got it. That only we got it here. Right, that only we got it. Nothing to worry. No need to do these all things. Just you see this one and can go. Right, you will get it here. Okay, right. Okay, you see this question. The equation of circle which touch x-axis at 3 comma 0. Okay, it touch x-axis at 3 comma 0. Say like this, rough diagram I have taken here, nothing to worry. Right, it is going to touch at this particular point. Say that this point is what? 3 comma 0, x-axis it is. If it is x-axis, this is what? 3 comma 0, okay, point. And he said that I'm making intercept of length 4 units. Right, one way of drawing the diagram is like this. The other way of drawing the diagram is in this way. Though both are chances are there. If it is x-axis, this is y-axis. Both chances are there. The length of this one exactly in the middle if you take. I don't know exactly what is going to be happen over here. I don't know. This is what? 2. Length of 4, sorry. 4 and 4 is there. I can't say anything about this one. It will touch. It will touch, he said, but it is not passing to origin. What is the exact length of this one? Exact length of this one we have to find. What to do here? This is 4 and you see this length is what? 3. If you say that this length is 3, this is 4 is there. So you can get it this triangle from the triangle. If you construct a triangle, this is what? Radius. This is also radius, that is also radius. So radius we can find. What is r? You see this what? R is equal to under root of 9 plus 16. So r is equal to 5. So this is also what? 5. So the center is here 3 comma 5 you can say. So what is the equation of a circle? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. Okay, in the same way you also please observe carefully. The length, this length is 2, this length is 4, this length is also what? 4. You know very well that this distance is 3. Once again I am explaining here, nothing. So here this is 4 and you see this one, this is also radius. This radius. This is also radius. This radius means this is 4, this is 3 means this distance is how much, sir? Under root of 4 square plus 3 square. That is what? 5. If this is 5, this is also radius. So this point is what? 3 comma minus 5. So x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square equal to 5 square. You can say here. Orally I did it like this. Now what we are supposed to do? Touch x-axis. Method 2 you see here. No. Touch x-axis. If the circle is going to touch x-axis means I told you the concept is like this. What is the concept here? G square is equal to C I said. Right, G square is equal to C I said. What is that? Length is nothing but what? Touch x-axis means that one only na. You see here another method very simple here. S is equal to 0 I have taken is and minus g comma minus f here. Since you know very well that it touch x-axis. Here I can say that if it is touch x-axis, okay, circle touches x-axis means g square is equal to c. But if you substitute here 3 comma 0, substituting 3 comma 0 in 1 like this, we got it c. But here I use this concept. So g is equal to what I got it here in this case. You see minus 3 I got it. Now here y-intercept he has given. Y-intercept is like this. So 16. So once you got it the value of what f square is equal to this one. G square is equal to c. So this is what g is minus 3 means c is minus 9. 9 if I substitute here, f square is equal to 15. That's the reason I got it. The center is two values I got it. One is minus g comma, two values here, minus g comma minus f is center. That is what 3 comma minus 5 is 1. Another one is 3 comma plus 5 is also another 1. So two cases we are getting like this. Like this also you can